Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Prathika and this is the second video in my Quarantine Nails playlist. So this is a special video because I actually created this video for a YouTube collaboration with 14 lovely ladies. So I hosted this amazing collaboration with Michelle and you can check out her channel over here. And all the videos will be in the description box below. So the entire concept of this collaboration was basically the different techniques of nail art. If you want to learn a new technique or find all the techniques in a single playlist, you can definitely check out all the videos in the description box, and all of their channel links are also present over there. So make sure to watch all the videos and let me know in the comment box which one was your favorite. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating the whale nail art. And I have done this technique in a video before, but it's a very old video and the camera quality was not that great. So I thought I should create it again, and this was a perfect opportunity to do so. All you need for this nail art is water and nail polish. So few things to keep in mind for this nail art. First of all is the consistency of the nail polish. You need to try it with different nail polish brands because not all nail polish actually spreads perfectly on the water. So the second point is the diameter of the container. Make sure it's not too large because you're just going to be wasting nail polish and it's also going to dry faster. So let it be of a medium sized diameter. So the third one is the temperature of the water. So make sure you don't use anything that's warm or too cold. So it needs to be of the right room temperature and this is going to work perfectly. And in addition to this, you will need some toothpicks or even a broomstick will do. So I actually ran out of toothpicks, so I used 2 pieces of a broomstick and it works perfectly. So without wasting more time, let's get right in the video. For today's manicure, I'm going to be using white as my base color. So this one is by TS Color Police and it's called Marshmallow. And on applying the first coat, you can see that it's not completely opaque. It's kind of sheer on the first coat, but while you apply the second coat, it is completely opaque, and this is one of the best white shades you can find in the market. Next, I'm going to be using some bright color to create the whale nail art. So I'm going to be using this bright green shade and it's called Lush, again by TS Color Police. So next, I'm going to take some water in a cup. And I'll be using 2 broomsticks, but you can always use 2 toothpicks for this. But I'm out of toothpicks, so I'm just going to be using 2 pieces of a broomstick. So next I'm going to be adding 1 drop of this polish into the water and let this polish completely spread in the water. So you will have to wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds after this, and you can poke the stick into the polish to see if it is dried or not. You will particularly need this polish to be dried in order to create this nail art. So next I'm going to be using the 2 sticks to pinch the polish and create a bow-like structure. You need to be really careful while doing this so that you don't tear the polish off. Now you can see that I've kind of created a bow-like structure in the center, and don't worry about the edges because you're not going to be using them. You just need the pattern at the center. So once that's done, I'm going to be dipping my nail directly onto the pattern and into the water. And once I'm done with that, I will use a stick to kind of bring the rest of the polish below my nail. The cleaning process for this nail art is very easy because once the polish is in the water, it kind of dries up. You don't need to use acetone to clean the polish around your nail. So you can just use the stick and kind of remove the excess polish around your nail, and after that you can use your finger or a tissue to remove the excess water that is present on your nail. So just dab over the pattern and this will remove the excess water, and then finally you need to apply a clear top coat to seal this off. So I will be showing this to you guys one more time and this will be a little bit faster. So again, I've done the same thing. I've added a drop of polish into the water. So the best part about this nail art is every time you use a stick to kind of pinch the nail polish to create a pattern, each time it's a different pattern. So that kind of gives it its own unique look. Again, I've done the same thing over here and I will be using the stick to clean around the nail and then finally apply a top coat. So this is how the final manicure looks like. I absolutely love this combination, and you can also notice that each nail has a different pattern and it's very rare that you're actually going to ruin this manicure. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos, and also make sure to watch all the videos in the collaboration playlist and subscribe to their channels as well. So that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.